Hey guys, today I'm making another video, and today in this video I will be playing Assassins. Yeah, Assassins. Oh crab apples, I already died. What? Yeah, I know. Yes. If you guys are wondering who the heck I'm talking to, it's definitely not myself. I am not lonely. It's my friend Tashi. We're talking on Discord. You guys can't hear him because, you know, you guys have bad hearing.
And Riley.
No one cares! Hey Tashi, can you tell your cousin brother to shut up?
Harry? I know where you are. I see you. What are you guys talking about?
Nothing.
Oh, yes. Yes!
The naughty boy is just saying. If he does it again, punch him in the balls. If he does it again... Oh my gosh, you saw that? I hate her. Yeah, Riley died with the same person.
No!
If people can hear what you're saying, I'll have to delete this video.
What the flip?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Let's do this one.
I wish you guys could hear what they're saying. It's
No, this one.
fun. Yeah, he's a naughty boy. You need to kill him.
For me?
No.
Yes.
Yes and no. Really?
Slashy the Foxy.
Okay, he's such a rude boy. He needs to die.
Foxy the
Joking. What? No, I was joking. Okay, but yes, he does.
Who's a rude
What? He does? Well, he's just sad, man.
I was telling you he's a rude boy. Throwing a ginormous heavy sword. Just
What?
Heavy. Wrong player.
I thought I hit him. Oh my gosh. See how bad I am at this game, everyone?
Yeah, he's not as good as
I used to have really
That's
good.
me.
I used to have really good knives, and then I got hacked by someone.
Yeah. He's got really good
Yeah.
knife.
Yeah, guess what? The person who hacked me was this guy. You know the book Tashi? Yeah, it was him from Tashi. He came over with his magic carpet and hacked me. And he's like, "You're not getting your password back." And I was like, "What?" And he's like, "He starts with an R, so you're not gonna get it back."
Kill him.
Tashi.
I
Who
win.
reads the book?
I win, Harry.
No one cares, Riley.
I'm the MVP.
Me? Riley.
And I'm also a VIP.
No,
You
your
know,
brother.
Xbox.
Your cousin brother. Oh my. Okay. Guys, next video. Next video. I don't know what to play.
What do you want to play? What do you want to play? What do you want to play?
Yeah.
What do you want to
Oh yeah,
play?
if you guys are interested, go check out this dude's channel. Here it is.
Where?
No, sorry, wrong one, wrong one,
Where is it?
wrong
So
one.
lost.
Here you go. Check out this dude's channel. He's got a bunch of things. He got the like. He's rich.
Subscribe to him too.
Subscribe to him because he's a good boy.
And please
Sometimes.
subscribe to us.
Oh yeah, and feel sorry for him because he broke his arm.
Yeah. Now it's got this metal thingy in it, right?
Yeah, he had to get stabbed in the arm by doctors. Like those doctors were evil mad scientists.
You're right.
Riley, are you dead yet?
No. What?
No, you are.
I died from Silver Tiger.
I know that. That's why he's my target now.
Oh, your target was me?
Mhm.
I'm your target?
Where the heck's that idiot?
I was your target?
Silver tiger, 1, 2, 3, 6. This guy doesn't know how to count.
Music. It's just like they just do this.
Oh yeah, just saying. He this boy Tashi. Ooh!
What?
I didn't mean to do that. Where's this bozo coming from? Which way? I bet you. Oh, I'm gonna come down here and get ready to stab him. I see him. I see you, boy. I see you. I see you. What? Okay, I deserve that. I'm a stupid idiot. Guys, thanks, Tashi. See, this is why Tashi's a good boy, because he says I'm not a stupid idiot, but he's wrong. My IQ level is 0 plus 8. So my IQ level is 8. I want a free-for-all. Infection. Okay, whoever subscribes to me gets a free Roblox gift card. I'm joking. I don't have any Roblox. You guys like my music? I know it's sexy. I wonder if his
Sorry, I'm not myself.
suck myself. I smoked some weed, took some Molly, I cut myself. I am smoking weed. What? What stream name key? What the heck's that? My stream. I'm not streaming. What do you mean? I wish you guys could hear I wish you guys could hear Ninja, man. Oh, what? How'd you win, Riley? See, Riley's a bacon hair.
I have run!
See, Riley's a bacon hair. He's the soldier who saves the last guest.
Yeah, I am. That's because that's why I win.
I want this. This is cool. No, I don't. It looks ugly. I want this one over there. Where's it going? I wish I could eat my face. I wish I could eat my. I have to shush now because he wants to make a live stream. Oh my gosh. Is it free for all? Nice. I can't really because, you know, I'm in the middle of a battle, but sure, I'll die for you. No, I wouldn't. That sounds gay. Yeah, I'm dead.
You're already dead?
Never mind. I'm not dead. Oh, never mind. I am dead. I fall to the ground and go, Brimson, buddy. Who the heck won? Hey.
Nearly lunchtime, boy.
Sorry, everyone. I had to pause it because my dad was here. Yes. Yes, what?
I died! No!
See, this is me. I am cool.
Yes, he's very cool. Look. Look.
I have the power of God and enemy on my side.
You got what?
The power of God and enemy on my side.
Yes, you have.
This is just me gameplaying. Flippity dip dip dip. Oh yeah, and guys, since I haven't played Minecraft in ages, I'm gonna play that.
See this.
Maybe next video. Is this what I'm supposed to do?
Big eyes?
Yeah.
Big eyes?
Mm-hmm.
Big eyes?
Oh, there's targets in this one. Good, because I don't like targets. That makes me angry, which makes me win. Oh, why isn't there any secrets? Is there a secret behind here? Oh, aren't there any secrets? This game sucks now. There used to be like a bunch of secrets they could fit through. Okay, this person named Tashi Jumso is no longer existing because I killed him. Yui! Oh like Yui. Yui's the greatest website in the world. They're not sponsoring me.
I'm not your.
Yes, I am. What? 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 You guys, I'm gonna cut the video short because I'm rage quitting.
We have to go to Bunnings to get another short. I made a mistake.
Dad, look.
That's not fun. Ooh. Oh, crap. See, this game relaxes me.
Okay.
I'm not sure if you guys can even hear it. You guys can hear it? I like it.
Watch this, Dad.
Let's upgrade my sounds. Okay, who doesn't like Kazoo Kid? This is my Kazoo Kid, yeah. We're gonna be friends. You know what? I think we're gonna be friends. You're dead.
Alright.
I think we're gonna be friends.
Alright.
Hail the King? No. What's this? No one likes you, baby. I like this one the best. Wait, oopsie. In time, he is still fucking Dragonball Rusroda! Dragonball. Sorry, guys. I hate you. Oh yeah, and just saying, if you want to know what this game is, well, you probably should know what it is. If you don't know, it's called Shouting Simulator. You can shout whatever you want. Let's watch. Okay, let's look at some of these things. Yeah. Like lamb sauce. I like that. Oh, this one is funny. The lamb sauce. Lamb sauce. Yo Tango. Where is that? What the heck is Yo Tango? Breakfast. Oh yeah. Breakfast. That was almost too easy. Almost too easy. Why did he go? Here I am. I'm a friend. I'm a farm. Oh! Isn't that like a meme? Extra thick. Extra thick! Watermelon. That's me. Singing my life. I picked Jack Sky. That was a good song. Everything is Batman. What the heck is this? Everything is Batman. But that's just weird. This is apparently an old song. I've known it since I was a kid. I still am. I'm almost 13, luckily. Holy moly! Let's go. Let's keep going, yo. I'm stuck now.